Hi to Dr. Arif and to all my fellow friends. We are from Group 10. We'll be presenting our oil rig that based on Deepwater, Nautilus. These are the main structure of the oil rig, which are pontoon, column, and deck. Pontoon, column, and deck are the base foundation of the oil rig, as pontoon and column provide stability that support the deck section. There are 3 cranes in this oil rig that use as a pedestal mounted elevating and rotating lifting device. The new AutoCAD technique that I used was align. It was easy for me to align to make the jib, but I also struggled to make the pulley independent of the crane. Next is the pipe rack that used to support drill pipe, drill collars, and casing above the ground. It is a little bit easy because I just need to make one of it, then just copy if I want more. The water tank is a container of storing water and basically used for accommodation. Based on the description of the Deepwater Nautilus, it has 4 of it. My next component is shell shaker, the first stage of separation equipment for oil field drilling mud cleaning system. I'm having a little bit problem for this component because it have a lot of small detail that I need to pay attention on it. And I use a lot of new techniques such as offset, trims, and extend command in the AutoCAD.
First, we have mud pump. Mud pump is one of the circulating system that used to circulate the drilling fluid into the well. It commonly consists of 2 or more mud pumps to avoid the mud from compounding too long in there. The larger the mud pump, the better the circulations of the drilling mud through the drilling bits and the casing annulus. Mud pumps is very hard to draw as it requires more small details, and I discovered new techniques to sketch it up the mud pump, such as revolve, extrude, and many more. Next, we have mud tanks or mud pits, which allows the sand and sediment to settle it out. And here is where the mud is mixed and conditioned. The component is very complex as it requires a piston and linear. It consists of intake valve, discharge valve, and the pulsation dampener. Doghouse is a portable one-room still that used at the drilling site to shelter the drilling crew and as well as the geologists. The function is also to store the equipment, small tools and records, and serve as a driller's office. After that, we have helideck. Helideck is a landing deck for helicopter. It the biggest features on the oil rig platform, and it requires more space as depends on the size of the helicopter. After that, we have lifeboat capsules. It's for emergency purpose, which occupies more than 2,000 offshore workers or crewmates. It's located on each side of an oil rig, or you can find it at the corner of the platform of an oil rig.